Every year, a new artist seems to blow up overnight. One day you've never heard of them, the next day they're everywhere, on TikTok, Spotify, and your friend's playlist. But here's the truth, blowing up isn't magic, and it isn't luck. In 2025, it's actually a process. Today, I'll break down how artists are really blowing up this year step by step, and what you can do to follow the same blueprint. Let's take a step back. In the past, breaking into music meant impressing gatekeepers, labels, radio, or blogs. But now, the gate is gone. Social platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Instagram Reels are the new discovery engines. That's where every breakout starts. But here's the catch. Posting random clips won't cut it anymore. The artists who are winning right now, from Russ to Chapel Roan, are combining music, personality, and consistent storytelling. They're branding themselves so clearly that fans feel like they know them. It almost always begins with one thing, a sticky piece of content, a 15-30 second clip that people can't stop watching or sharing. Maybe it's a lyric that hits hard, a beat drop that goes viral, or a raw moment that feels authentic. Once that spark happens, algorithms push it, fans duet it, and suddenly you're showing up everywhere. But here's the mistake most indie artists make. They don't capitalize. One viral post doesn't build a career. The artists who break through in 2025 already have branding, visuals, and a strategy ready. So when the spotlight hits, they look professional, and fans stick around. Once the first post pops, here's what happens next. Consistency. They post every day or close to it, making their face and music impossible to ignore. Branding, their colors, visuals, and vibe are locked in. Fans can recognize them instantly. Networking, collaborations, reposts, and features expand their reach way faster than going solo. Playlists, as buzz grows, Spotify editorial or independent curators notice and add the track. This creates a snowball effect. Suddenly it looks like an overnight success, but really it's weeks of strategy meeting the right moment. At the Indie Lab, we see this all the time. Artists drop a viral moment, but because they don't own their fan base, the buzz fades. That's why we recommend ForeverFan. It gives you smart links and mini sites that not only look professional, but also collect your fans' emails, phone numbers, and socials. So when your moment hits, you don't just go viral, you build an audience that stays. You can even send emails and texts directly to your fans, track your growth, and make sure that momentum turns into a long-term career. If you're serious about building a fan base you actually own, check the link in the description and get started with ForeverFan today. So, how do artists really blow up in 2025? It's not just about making great music. It's about consistent content, branding, networking, and owning your fan base. If you nail these four, when your viral moment comes, and it will, you'll be ready to turn it into a career. And if you want to start building your foundation today, check out all the resources we've got in the description. Download our free guide, How to Reach 10K Monthly Listeners on Spotify. Grab the Indie Artist Growth Bundle for branding, fanbase, and networking strategies. Book your icon branding session with OSQUAREPHOTOS if you're in Los Angeles. Join our newsletter for weekly gems and updates, and most importantly, subscribe to the Indie Lab so we can keep making videos like this to help you grow. If this video helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment about what step you're going to take first, and share it with another artist who needs to hear this.